Is this how usually the videos go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Basically.
I was like, how much prepping do I need?
You've seen her go into the refrigerator many times.
So this is actually like more prepared than my video.
Oh, really?
You ready?
Yeah, what do we do?
Let's do this. Hi kids! Welcome to another episode of Butter and Salt. I was like, is that what we're doing here? We're doing Butter and Salt.
No,
Okay.
Butter and Salt.
I'm Krista McLemore, and that's Kevin. Wait, and that's Ashley. And I have Shea with me. Hi. What's up? And today we are making protein ice cream
Yes.
that can be vegan.
There's vegan options for it, but generally it's for after an evening workout if you're craving ice cream. Very low calorie treat. Get your ice cream fix. Yeah.
And that makes this lactose intolerant
Still
chick
get
very
those
happy.
things. Yeah. Yeah. It is lactose free, so solid.
I like that. Do you have the microphone on? I just realized this. Okay. That would really suck. So this is like a really easy recipe. Shea was telling me about it and oh shit, hold on. Hold the phone. Okay.
Oh, yes.
I have a thing.
What?
Oh shit.
No fucking way.
Yes.
Butter and
Yes.
salt. No fucking way.
You get your own apron. Nobody outside of family has one.
Oh, this is a highlight for me.
Yeah.
I really like it.
Because I get messy in the kitchen, so.
I've been known to make a mess with a blender, so.
Nice.
It's
It's contained, and we make a mess still. I love it.
Yes. Every time.
Okay.
It's fantastic.
Yay! I would have been so pissed off if we got through this whole thing and we packed up the stuff and I'm like, well, cool. Okay, so this is like really easy, it sounds. So we're going to put everything, all the ingredients for the base of the ice cream in a blender, blend it up, freeze it,
Yep.
and then top it with whatever you want. So can you make this like, can you put strawberries in it if you wanted to make it strawberry ice cream?
You can. Like any form of dessert, you can put whatever kind of toppings you want in it. If you're trying to get your protein fix in for the day, keep it very simple. But it's still super delicious based on what kind of protein powder you put in it. It is what you make it. It's kind of a fun recipe. You can do whatever you want with it.
I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and small batches, I'm guessing, because it's going into a blender.
Yes.
So
This
it's not
is-
like you're making a gallon of.
Yeah. What we're doing is a 1 serving. I will put the macros on the screen later. We'll get that. Let's get to it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put everything up here, and like a witch's brew, we're gonna just. What was that from? What's it called?
Oh god.
Hocus Pocus.
Move the blender that way.
Look at that. Okay. Okay. So what goes first?
All right. First, you're gonna want to do 1.5 cup of ice.
Oh my God! Whoa! All right. It's a party.
We got a little frozen.
Why does it been in there that long?
You're so forceful.
It's been like 3 minutes.
Right?
Damn. All right. My favorite is GNC Pure Isolate. It just cuts out a lot of the extras that a lot of whey protein has that you don't really need. It's so good. This one is actually chocolate lava cake.
Nice.
Yeah.
Chocolate lava cake.
Yes.
I'm here for it.
So serious. And we're just gonna do 1 scoop. They come in scoops.
Big
Just
scoops.
do one heaping delicious lava cake scoop.
Ice, protein powder, then
So for the milk, we're gonna do 1 to 2 ounces based on how thick or thin you want your ice cream to be. You can do almond milk, cashew milk. We're using oat milk. You can use regular milk, but it's 2020. Who does that?
yeah.
Like,
And I tried the oat milk just on its own earlier because I haven't had it yet. I know I'm behind the times, but it's really good.
it's really good. Like if you haven't had an oat milk mocha yet,
Missing out.
Missing out. And then we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of egg whites. We have it measured out already. And if you want to go completely vegan with it, you can use chickpea juice. Just get the cans, strain out the chickpeas. Obviously, that
Make
juice
some hummus.
is yeah. Make some hummus, and then with the juice, you can put it in here. You got 2 meals right there. It thickens it out like the egg whites would.
Because it's foamy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. So that's the alternative there that makes it vegan. And then we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder because
Why not?
we're going chocolate with it.
It smells amazing in here.
And
Haven't
if you-
even blended it yet.
I
I
know.
know, we're not even there yet. And if you want to do vanilla for, like, if you don't like chocolate, you want to do vanilla ice cream.
Get off my channel. Just kidding.
Dang, that's a little harsh, right?
Come at me.
She'll fight you for this.
I will. Sorry. So if you want to do
If you
vanilla,
The only difference is instead of using 2 tablespoons of cocoa, you do like a 1/4 tablespoon of cinnamon and use vanilla protein. That's the only difference. It's super delicious.
that sounds really good.
And that's everything. So blend
That's
it out.
easy.
Yeah, super
Okay.
easy.
So we're gonna pop this on here. Wait, how do I do this? Okay. Oh, which one am I doing?
Either ice cream or a smoothie if you have those options on your blender.
How do you have it on your blender? I have like on and off.
Go for a smoothie.
Smoothie? And
Yeah.
does it just like stop on its own?
No.
Okay.
So hold the topper.
We're gonna have a real party. So
Yeah.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, fun!
Push it down.
You gotta push it down a little bit.
Oh, I don't use a blender, guys.
Blenders make all the best food.
Am I good? You
Push
think?
it down and go again.
Ah, okay.
If we only had smell-o-vision.
Oh, I'm dripping. I'm dripping. Okay. There we go.
There it was.
There's the magic.
Oh, baby. If you look at the top, you'll see the creamy consistency. That's kind of what you're going for.
Oh, shoot.
Technically, that is 1 serving for 1 person after the gym.
I should go to the gym more often.
No, honestly, that's my favorite part about eating healthy and going to the gym is that I get to eat so much. Like, I literally eat constantly throughout the day and I still am losing weight because of what you're eating. That's the most important thing. Now, can you imagine going to the gym, working your ass off, and then being like, I'm really craving ice cream. You come home to this and like no guilt. You're just
Right.
like, this is what I'm supposed to be eating right now. Like that's the best part. Okay, so for toppings, this is my wife's.
Yeah. Nice.
She loves these things.
Uh-huh.
Heavenly Hunks. There, we're gonna put some Hershey's syrup on there. We got a couple Thin Mints, chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips.
Obviously, I've been trying to eat some of this stuff. It's powdered almond butter. It's pretty comparable to PB2, which a lot of trainers eat. They supplement it for peanut butter because it's super delicious and has a ton of protein. It's super good for you and like 0 calories. Actually, 50. But you can work that out in like 2 minutes. It don't matter.
0, 50.
50. Right. So you can put whatever you want in there. Go for it. What do you want?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Try it without anything first.
Oh,
That's a good idea.
whatever. That's fine. Oh my god. Here, cheers.
Cheers.
She's got this grin on her face.
You're like, she hates it.
I hate it. It's terrible.
So bad.
You don't want any.
Everything I just told you, straight lies.
Straight lie. It's terrible. You don't want any.
I hate it, but I'm definitely gonna keep eating it.
Mm-hmm. And I'm really saving you from yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to try it?
Babe, come here.
Sure.
No.
Come on.
No.
From behind the camera, just your arm.
Be behind the camera.
Why did you put that in my mouth?
That's delicious.
If you want it to be a thicker consistency, you can either add more egg whites or after you blend it, just put it in the freezer for a little bit.
What are the calories?
We'll put it on the corner of the screen.
Yeah.
I see YouTubers doing that. Which corner? So for toppings though, what's really going to make it delicious?
Mm-hmm.
I want some of this.
Now that one's chocolate.
This is a chocolate almond butter, but it's powdered, so they press it, take all the oil out of it, and
It has a longer shelf life.
way long because it's just powder. It's
Yeah, they took all the oil.
93% less fat. So in 2 tablespoons, you're looking at 50 calories, whereas I don't even have any regular peanut butter in the house, so I don't actually know, but I know it's a lot more than 50.
But that probably tastes like a peanut butter cup.
Yeah.
But almond butter cup.
Mm-hmm. It's cookie season.
It's cookie time. Cookie time.
It's cookie time. It's cookie time.
Hustlers on the corner selling
Hey,
these cookies.
you know, yeah. I'm gonna do one too, so we have a little pretty garnish in there.
Yeah, and it's Sunday. You know what that means. Cheat
it's
day.
Sunday. It's a Sunday.
Sunday is Sunday fun day.
Oh.
Cheat day.
So your cheat days are on Sundays.
Yes,
Nice.
so I kind of pig out on Sundays.
That's awesome. Because what's the point of having your cheat day on a day you have to work?
Exactly.
No point.
Gross.
Yeah.
Pass.
Unless there was a really good taco truck.
False.
Oh.
Unless there's a good taco truck.
Hey. Just saying. I didn't get a cookie. I feel robbed. Hold on.
Let's try it with the cookie. It's pretty serious.
Mm-hmm. To do a make ahead would be real easy. Just
Yeah,
make
you
ahead
can
of time,
make an
throw it in
entire
the-
batch of this and just throw it in the freezer. It'll actually probably be better because it'll be thicker. That's kind of the thing is when you blend it, you know, it gets a little soupy. Like the consistency, it's melted a little
It's a
bit.
milk crate. It's fine.
But yeah, throw it in the freezer a little bit. It'll thicken back up. Be
Mhm.
great. So get your little ice cream fix.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, if you enjoyed this episode, see, that's what I get. I get the wrap it up.
Oh, it's
He's like, I want some goddamn ice cream. So finish your shit. Thank you so much for watching this episode. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to this channel. And while you're there, click the little bell saying you want to be notified every time we do one of these, because
they're good. Just accept it for what it is. Take
Thank you.
it and love it.
thank you. Oh,
Yes.
shoot. And thank you, Shea, for being here.
Of course. My
Or
pleasure.
inviting me over to your, because clearly we're not in our kitchen. Probably could have said that. All right. Well, have a good day. We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye. I'm really excited.
Excited.
to see
Really excited.
really excited how you guys edit this.
Yeah.
I think that's kind of the most exciting part of it. The fucking end product of this chaos.
Right.
I really like the barbecue one actually.
Yeah.
What? It sounds like you don't like that one as
I
much.
miss Sweet Baby Ray's.
We can still buy
But
it,
you
dear.
found the
Yeah.
real thing.
I
though. You found
do,
the
but
real
I'm
thing.
so freaking stubborn. Like, I miss Sweet Baby Ray. Okay.
No, come closer. You keep moving behind the blender.
Oh, that's my safe space. I never been on YouTube before.